Lexus presents the all-new TZ, a 6-seat, fully electric premium SUV that explores new horizons in traveling comfort and pleasure. Lexus demonstrates its distinctive contemporary design flair in the TZ's exterior, infusion of road presence with refinement and a sleek look. It stands apart from traditional SUV design values that emphasize performance and power with an appearance that is more refined and less aggressive. The result is a quality Lexus describes as provocative simplicity, elegant with an edgy touch. As well as being eye-catching, the design is detailed for wind-cheating aerodynamic excellence, helping maximize the vehicle's range potential. The frontal appearance broadcasts strength and confidence, generating the characteristic Lexus spindle body in a clean, unified mass. Geometric graphics add sharpness and strength, while the new signature Lexus Twin-L light units present distinctive inward and outward-pointing elements for the daytime running lights and turn indicators. The side view presents an elongated silhouette with sharp edges and high-quality surfacing that communicates strength and dynamism. Details include semi-flush door handles, strong character lines, textured surfaces, and boldly styled aero wheels, 20 or 22-inch according to equipment grade. At the rear, there is a bold lowering of the roofline's trailing edge and a tapering of the cabin. This has a positive aero effect, but not at the expense of space and comfort in the cabin. The pronounced rear wings add to a wide, horizontal stance and powerful SUV posture. The rear L-shaped lamp units, strong 3D treatment of the back door, and shaping of the bumper make the TZ instantly recognizable as a Lexus. Color options will include monotone and bitone finishes, among them a new sonic tellus. Named after the Latin word for earth, this rich khaki green uses Lexus's sonic paint technology to produce deep shading and subtle nuances of color, generating a strong, three-dimensional effect. Inside the TZ, the emphasis is on a sophisticated ambiance, a driving lounge that provides supreme comfort, quietness, and luxury features founded on Lexus's unique omotenashi hospitality and Takumi craftsmanship principles. It is a space where everyone can relax, enjoying the smooth, refined ride of a BEV, insulated from road and wind noise disturbance. The clean, minimalist cabin theme is reflected in the slim instrument panel, which houses Lexus's new responsive hidden switch technology. The panel presents a clean, seamless upholstered finish, but a series of switch function icons illuminate when the driver or passenger's hand passes above the surface. Although they have a flush finish, the switches provide physical touch feedback when operated. Responsive hidden switches are also featured on the TZ's steering wheel. The TZ benefits from Lexus's new Arene software platform that supports a greater range of Lexus Connect multimedia functions and provides fast, intuitive operation. The central 14-inch multimedia screen is synchronized with the 12.3 and multi-information display, which allows the full navigation map to be mirrored in the driver's combimeter. This makes directions easier to follow, avoiding the need for the driver to adjust their glance to view information, a key element of the human-centered cockpit design. Owners will be able to access a wide range of new and enhanced information, navigation, security and convenience functions, delivered through a series of connected services bundles, available on subscription via the Lexus Link Plus app. The long wheelbase, suspension design, and accommodation of the battery entirely beneath the floor ensure there is space to comfortably accommodate 6 seats arranged in 3 rows. The second row features individual captain's chairs, while the third row offers generous head and leg room. The absence of a fuel tank allows the rearmost seats to be set lower, so that even taller adults can sit and travel in full comfort. This also makes for easier rear seat access, together with walk-in switches to forward fold the outer second row seats, tread plates, and assist grips. Up front, the driver and passenger seats are a new generation Lexus design, formed using a lightweight, split construction with separate modules fitted to the frame. This creates a slim profile and a sculpted look, while providing greater support and comfort. The front and second row seats have integrated heating and ventilation, and seat heating is also available in the third row grade, a rare feature in 6 or 7 seat SUVs. For added comfort, ottoman-style leg rests are available for the front and second row passengers, while radiant heaters are provided to warm the driver and front passengers' knees and lower legs. Discreetly positioned below the instrument panel and steering column, these work in conjunction with the air conditioning system to provide energy-efficient heating, helping maximize the car's driving range. The cabin's open feel is enhanced with a panoramic roof. It is the largest yet featured on a Lexus model, extending above all 6 seats. The doors have an easy closing system. This detects when a door is half closed and completes the action, quietly and with light force. The door panels feature Lexus's new bamboo layering trim panels, crafted using a Lexus First film layering technique. In daylight, they have the appearance of natural bamboo, changing to surface-illuminated color patterns when synchronized with the vehicle's ambient lighting system. For audio excellence, the TZ can be specified with a bespoke 21-speaker Mark Levinson audio system that provides a 3D soundstage with pure, distortion-free sound quality. This includes a position mode which creates a soundstage focused on the rear cabin, tailored to how the vehicle is being used, and enables rear seat-specific tuning. The TZ's new battery electric powertrain marks an evolution of the Lexus driving experience to deliver even greater rewards from the fundamentally quiet, smooth, and highly responsive performance characteristic of Lexus BEVs. The TZ is equipped with Lexus e-axles front and rear. The motors have increased power outputs appropriate for the TZ's size and performance. 167 kilowatts, or 227 horsepower, both front and rear. Each e-axle produces 268.6 Newton-meters of torque. The TZ uses a lithium-ion battery with extra-large 95.8 kilowatt-hours capacity. This will enable an anticipated driving range of up to 530 kilometers. The TZ's handling capabilities are supported by Lexus's Direct 4 all-wheel drive system. This automatically distributes drive torque between the front and rear axles, in line with the driving conditions and the selected drive mode, giving linear, responsive acceleration and strong cornering performance. The suspension arrangement features front McPherson struts and a rear multi-link system that has been developed specifically for the TZ, combining with the highly rigid body to contribute to the car's high comfort and stability. The TZ can be specified with a dynamic rear steering system, which allows the rear wheels to turn up to 4 degrees, either in phase with or counter to the angle of the front wheels according to the driving situation. At low and medium speeds, this enhances line tracing, maneuvering, and steering response. At higher speeds, it adds to the car's stability, inspiring driver confidence.